If your phone screen starts touching by itself while gaming, like joystick moving automatically or firing without touch, then this video is for you. Follow these simple steps to reduce the boost touch problem. First, go to your phone settings, open display settings or touch settings. If you see an option called touch sensitivity, turn it off. High sensitivity causes false touch during gaming, especially when phone gets hot. Now the second step, update your phone software. Go to settings system and see software update. If available, then update it. Many times boost touch happens because of software bugs. An update can fix this. Tip 3. Test your screen. Now you need to test your screen to confirm the problem. Open your dialer and dial this code #2664 #*#. This will open touchscreen test mode on many Android phones, but it does not work on my phone. If you see lines breaking or random touches, then it's a screen digitizer issue.